Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 1 from that chapter number 2 quadratic equation. From this chapter we have studied the practice set 2.1 to 2.6. Now we are going to see the problem set 2. From that question number 1 I am going to give it to you as an to solve at home, as it is an easy. If you are having any problem you can call me and get your problem solved. And now we are going to start the question number 2. Which of the following equation is in a quadratic? First one, x square plus 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. In this equation, highest index of variable x is 2. So the given equation is quadratic equation. Second one, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square. Now this equation we are writing in this way now, x square. After is equal to sign here, x square is there. When we are shifted to the other side it becomes minus x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, plus x square minus x square cancel, minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here highest index of variable x is not 2, so it is not quadratic equation. Third example, in bracket x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 2x square. Now here x plus 2 bracket square, you are going to split it by using the formula a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here we are splitting this, x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x square. This x square, now shift this 2x square to the other side, it will become minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square, subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Greater number is 2, so minus sign. After subtracting, that is 1x square remain plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Highest degree or index of variable x is 2, so it is quadratic equation. Now question number 3, find the value of the discriminant for each of the following equation. Question is given here. First one, 2y square minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 2. Now discriminant value delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, where b value is a minus 1, that is square, minus 4 into a is 2, c is 2. Minus 1 square is a 1, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 1 minus 16, subtract it but keep the greater number sign, that is minus sign. 16 minus 1, that is 15. Now second example, 5m square minus m plus 0 is equal to 0. Comparing equation with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, b value is in a minus 1 bracket square minus 4 into a is 5, c is 0, which is equal to minus 1 square is in a 1 minus 4 5s are 20, 20 into 0 is in a 0, 1 minus 0 is in a 1. Now third example, under root 5x square minus x minus under root 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to under root 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus under root 5. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, b value is in a minus 1 square minus 4 into a is under root 5 into c is minus under root 5, which is equal to minus 1 square is in a 1, minus into minus, that is in a plus, 4 into this under root 5 into under root 5, that is in a 5, which is equal to 1 plus 20, which is equal to 21. After completing this, you can take the screenshot and write it in your classwork. Now fourth one of the root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 2. Then find the value of k. X is equal to minus 2 is a root of given quadratic equation. Therefore, put x is equal to minus 2 in given equation, that is 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are putting x is equal to minus 2. So x, that is 2 in bracket minus 2 square plus k in bracket minus 2. This minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are substitute the value x is equal to minus 2. This 2 into minus 2 square is in a 4. Plus into minus, minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 minus 2k is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is in a 6 minus 2k is equal to 0. Minus 2k is equal to plus 6. Shifted to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So this minus sign get cancelled. Then k is equal to 6 upon 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, k is equal to 3. Now question number 5th, two roots of the quadratic equations are given, frame the equation. First one, 10 and minus 10, let alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to minus 10. Therefore, alpha plus beta, which is equal to 10 plus in bracket minus 10, which is equal to 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. Now alpha into beta, which is equal to 10 into minus 10, that is equal to 10 tens are 100, that is a minus 100, plus into minus minus. Now the required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta, that is in a 0, into x plus alpha into beta, that is in a minus 100, is equal to 0. That is x square plus into minus minus 100 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now here second one, 1 minus 3 under root 5 and 1 plus 3 under root 5. Here also we are considering that let alpha is equal to 1 minus 3 under root 5 and beta is equal to 1 plus 3 under root 5. Now alpha plus beta, alpha value is 1 minus 3 under root 5 plus beta value is 1 plus 3 under root 5, that I kept it in the bracket, which is equal to 1 minus 3 under root 5 plus 1 plus 3 under root 5 minus 3 under root 5 plus 3 under root 5, it is cancelled, 1 plus 1, that is a 2. Now alpha into beta, which is equal to 1 minus 3 under root 5 in another bracket 1 plus 3 under root 5, this is a beta value. Now 1 minus 3 under root 5, 1 plus 3 under root 5, considering the formula a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus 3 under root 5 bracket square, which is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 3 square is this 9 into under root 5 square is 5, that is 1 minus 9 5s are 45, which is equal to 1 minus 45 subtracted but keep the greater number sign, greater number is 45, minus sign, that is a minus 44. Now the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta is 2, x plus alpha into beta is minus 44 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x minus 44 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now third example is that 0 and minus 7. So here again let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 7. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 7, that is 7. Alpha into beta, that is equal to 0 into 7, that is equal to 0. The required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta, that is 7, x plus alpha into beta, that is 0, is equal to 0. So x square minus 7x is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. You can remove the screenshot and write it in your notebook. Question number 6. Determine the nature of the roots for each of the quadratic equation. First one, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This we are comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. Now here b square minus 4ac, put the value in this, b value is in a minus 5, bracket square, minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 7, which is equal to minus 5 square is in a 25, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7, that is an 84, which is equal to 25 minus 84, that is subtracted but keep the greater number sign, that is a minus 59 we'll get, which is less than 0. Therefore the nature of root is not real. Now second one, under root 3x square plus under root 2x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now here comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to under root 3, b is equal to under root 2 and c is equal to minus 2 under root 3. Now b square minus 4ac, which is equal to value of b is an under root 2, bracket square, minus 4 into a is root 3 into c is minus 2 under root 3. Under root 2 square means it is a 2, minus into minus, that is a plus, 4 2s are 8, 3 into 3, under root 3 into under root 3, that is a 3, which is equal to 2 plus 8 3s are 24, which is equal to 24 plus 2, that is a 26 we will get, which is greater than 0. Therefore the nature of root is real and unequal. Now third example, m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, that is comparing equation with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. b square minus 4ac is equal to b value is a minus 2 square, minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 1, which is equal to minus 2 square, means it is 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Therefore the nature of root is real and equal. You can remove the screenshot and write it in your notebook. If you have liked the videos, you can subscribe the video and so that you can watch the further videos which I am loading on the YouTube. Thank you.